this is, I hope, going to be a small video. As you can see, this is the shape of the chair arm. The padding has fallen down inside. I'm not sure how that happened. They said that this had happened on the other arm too, so I will take this chair seat out and see if I can take this out very carefully, because I don't want to change the fabric. The theory is all I have to do is to pull these staples out so that I can find out. The trouble is they want to keep this fabric, so I can't ruin the fabric, which might be a little bit harder than I thought. This isn't very easy. So I'm going to just work my way along here, and then I'll be able to see what's going on underneath. I've undone here, and all of the foam for the arm is actually inside. I'm just going to pull that back and into place and ease it all the way along. I can't pull out any more fabric than I already have, because it would mean I have to take this off to get in here. So it's going to be a little bit awkward. And when I pull this out, it used to be stapled along the side, but the people have probably just leant against here and pushed it in. So I'm going to staple it again along the side, but with longer staples. There's really not much else I can do, because it's not even secured anywhere else. I can't feel anything, so I'm just going to push the fabric and pull it back into place and pull it forward. I've never had this happen on a chair that I've worked on. This is a new one to me, but as I say, apparently it happened on the other side, and that comes right the way forward. I wonder if I can pull that forward as well. That's into place there and place there. I think it will eventually lean down as they use it and go back into place. I hope it does, because at the moment it kind of pops up. I can feel along the side of the foam where it originally was on the side of the chair. I've just got to push it on, around and down and into place. This is a workout. I always get workouts working. I think that will eventually work. My only thought is it doesn't actually match what's going on this side. The foam seems to go on the inside, but there's obviously been staples here, right on the top. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of staples right here so that it doesn't interfere with the mechanism. And I'm going to go up again. So that should hold it in place here. And then I'm going to make my way across the bottom here as well. So it's about an inch overlap, which is I think where it was before. I had to change sides, so I'm going to put this one here. Then in here, I've got a feel here. It actually kind of goes up here and across the front here. So I am going to put a couple of staples here on the front of this piece to hold it in place, not catching any of the fabric. Oh dear, I've got to trick this one into working, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. So that's there. Now I'm just going to put all of this back in place as close to where it was when I started. So I'm going to fold that up and put that here. I'm going to put one on here, and then I am going to work my way all the way across here. Now all I've got to do is get my friend to come over and help me put all of this back together. It's quite heavy for me to do, so I'm lucky I've got friends that come and help when needed. Thank you for joining me on this little project. As you can see, this arm now looks as good as this arm. So hopefully the lady's chair is going to last a lot longer. As you can see, it was more awkward rather than difficult to do. So nice quick fix on something that can last a bit longer. If you want to hear more from me, please subscribe and hit the bell button. And in the meantime, take care. See you later. Ciao. No.